Aftermarket chassis components might look and fit like the original parts they replace, but that doesn't mean they're all built the same. The way they're designed and manufactured make a critical difference in how they perform compared to stock. This original equipment ball joint uses a low-friction polymer bearing, standard chassis grease, a sealed boot, and a corrosion-resistant coating on the stud. This is a Dorman Premium XL ball joint for the same vehicle application. It's specifically designed to retain the original equipment feel and maintenance requirements, but it's built for an extended life compared to stock. Like the factory part, it uses a low-friction polymer bearing to deliver smooth steering and handling. But inside its tightly sealed boot, premium lithium grease offers greater protection against wear than the stock design, and it features corrosion-resistant coatings on both the stud and the main housing. These features ensure Dorman Premium XL chassis components feel and perform the way the vehicle was designed while offering greater durability. That's why, when you want to do the job right, Dorman Premium Chassis delivers the right solution for the job.